Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about using videos to promote your products. Let's get started. Videos get more views on social media platforms. When you use videos to show people how your product works, or a short video showing people who are using your product, people will get a better perspective of your product. As a result, it will spark their interest and they will be enticed to try and purchase your product. Videos catch your viewers' attention. People are browsing their newsfeed to look for interesting content. When they view your video, they are more likely to stop and browse for the content that you shared. By the time that they stopped on your video, you already have hooked them, and your goal is to get your viewers to be interested in your product. It is important to make your viewers interested in the first 3 seconds of your video. That way, they will stay and watch until the end of the video. You can create variations of video content to promote your products or services. Show how-to videos. People are drawn to video content where they can learn something from. If there is a need to educate people on how your product should be used, then your potential buyers and customers can benefit from that video. Your brand will stand out among your competitors since you are showing valuable content to your viewers. Next, use the featured video on your Facebook page. Your video promotions can be shown at the top of your page. You can create a video to showcase the features of your product. When people watch a video showing and explaining what makes your product unique, they can be enticed to watch and learn more about your product. This type of video can get people's attention and encourage them to purchase your products at a later time. The videos that you have uploaded can be featured on your Facebook page. People can browse your top video promotions before they browse all your shared content on your page. This can allow people to learn about your video promotions right away. If they are interested, they can be encouraged to buy your products. Make sure to craft a descriptive title, as it can allow your video content to be discovered by your target audiences. People will search for keyword phrases to look for posts related to their search. Your video content can be one of the search results if you include relevant keywords to your shared video content. Add a call to action. You can add a link to your website in the description. When your viewers like your content, they might look for a link where they can be redirected to a page to check out your product and purchase it. During your video, you can mention the call to action. That way, your viewers can be aware that they can purchase the product with that link. At the end of the video, you can also add a text overlay showing the call to action link. Once you have created video promotions, you can share them as your stories. Stories only show a limited time for videos. You can only upload 10-second videos as stories, but you can cut long videos and upload them simultaneously. It will allow people to view your whole video in the stories section. This way, your followers will be able to view your stories before they access their news feed. And most of the time, Facebook users browse their friends' stories as it keeps on playing automatically for photos or videos. You can also attract potential buyers who are usually browsing the stories section. When they view your video, they might be interested in purchasing your items. Focus on the content of your video. Provide a good explanation to your viewers so that they can learn about your product. Most users ignore videos that don't show what benefits they can get from using the products or services of a business. Videos can help boost conversions and sales. Most of your potential customers are browsing their newsfeed to look for interesting content. When they discover your video, they will try and watch your video and see if it sparks their interest. There are times that your target market is busy that they don't bother reading long posts about a product that you're promoting. Videos are the best content to use to convert these busy target markets who have the potential to purchase items once they view the content in your videos. Now that you know about using videos to promote your products, we can now proceed to the next topic: create attractive images to promote your products. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.